This is Nag Shankar Temple, an ancient Shiva temple in the quaint remote corner of Assam, where people come to donate turtles after their prayers are answered. This temple is also one of the last refuge of the enigmatic black softshell turtle. Turtles are one of the most threatened animal group facing extinction. Most of them are victims of illegal trade, habitat destruction, water pollution, and exploited for personal consumption. India is home to species of turtles and tortoises, among which 20 are found in Assam. My name is Gaurav. I am a PhD scholar from University of Delhi and working with Turtle Survival Alliance India. I am on a mission to save the elusive black softshell turtle from its extinction. Our journey started with a question: were black softshell turtle actually extinct in wild, or a unknown population still thrives in the unexplored world of mighty Brahmaputra? This question led us to some of the most remote stretches of river. We conducted routine boat surveys, interviewed various fishermen, and inquired about the existence of our enigmatic turtle.
তো অন্তত ধৰা এনেকুৱা মান সাইজৰ এনেকুৱা সাইজৰ হয় আঙুলি খাই উলিয়াই দিছিলে একদম আচ্ছা এটা আঙুলি টুকুৰা কৰি দিছিলে
As we immersed ourselves in the vastness of the mighty Brahmaputra for many months, we still failed to record a single individual of black softshell. Our hope was fading day by day as the months were passing. But one fine morning, we received a call from one of the local fishermen who claimed to caught a similar turtle in his fishing net. We rushed to the spot to see the turtle, and to our best surprise, we have got our first black softshell turtle. Week later, we got two more individuals. These sightings made our doubt very much clear that some wild population of black softshell are still thriving somewhere in the river, which is still beyond our reach. 700 kilometers from Kaziranga, things were not as good. In fact, they were much worse. There are still some shady illegal markets running in Tripura which are unknown to the concerned authorities and are infamous for selling live turtles and their meat. We used our hidden cameras to record all the notorious acts. "90 kilometers from Nagshankar, there was one more temple, Nagaon Shiva Temple, where turtles were stranded from years and were waiting for their last breath. Initially, we thought there must be 15 to 20 turtles, but to our surprise, one after other, we rescued 67 turtles from that small water hole. Some of them were in terrible condition. We rescued all the turtles, kept them under observation, and finally released them into the wild to give them a new life. Turtles are magnificent creatures, but presently their number has fallen catastrophically. Still, there is some hope left. Together we can seek solution. Together we can bring change. It's not too late. It's time to take action before we darken the sky further. Conservation is, after all, everybody's business. I believe if we come together, we can make conservation work. Do not leave it for organization. Do not leave it for government agency. Do not leave it for people like me. Take up the cause for yourself and do whatever you personally can for your country, for the conservation. Give to your child the legacy that is priceless, that can't be bought, that can't be measured, and no one can ever estimate the worth of that happiness which is coming to you.